Okay, we're on 8 and we're on sidescroller3. Let's go down here and take a look at it. Here it is. We'll actually select the code, copy it, we'll go here and we'll paste and run it. This is what sidescroller3 looks like. It's a side scroller like the other ones. So as I go left, things scroll. As I go right, but now it has these walls. And as I hit a wall, we keep track of which wall I hit, and as I enter it, I get a point, and as I exit it, it unhighlights. It's keeping track of where I am, so as I move, I don't get more points while I'm within the wall. I have to leave it and come back. Okay, and sure enough, I can scroll along, and see that 4, 1, 2 will prove that we're really scrolling and remembering things, because now it's off screen. But if I go back, we'll see that 4, 1, 2 again, and I'll go. By the way, curiously enough, I can go up and miss the walls. There's the 2, there's the 1. There's the 4. So sure enough, this sure looks like it's working and remembering state. Also, other things like if I mouse press, it'll actually go wherever I mouse press, but glued to there. And mouse pressing is aware of scrolling, so there you go. So this is really the same. That's actually the key. This is the same scrolling as the previous one, sidescroller2. What we've done is we've added a little more stuff. So we've added some walls, and we've added, well, chiefly some walls and the wall points, okay? And then we have this notion of player bounds, so that we can tell if the player intersected the wall. And we don't take scroll X into account on the player bounds or the wall bounds, because so long as we don't do that for each, we can test if they intersect without even worrying about the scroll, which is really nice. We call those absolute bounds. That's where they are, not where they're scrolled to. And if you use absolute bounds for everything, it's just cleaner for intersections. The only thing you use scrolling for at that point is for drawing. So you have to adjust things by subtracting the scroll. And also for mouse presses, you have to subtract on the mouse press, or you won't be accounting for the scroll on the mouse press. So if we see mouse pressed, we have to actually add to the scroll, but we have to take the scroll into account on the mouse press. Okay. So otherwise, everything, see, make player visible, it really is the same as it was before. Okay, so that's pretty handy, and this shows you how you can do a little more complete version of a side scroller. And if you want to do it in 2 dimensions, it wouldn't be hard now, because everything we've done here is in the X dimension. But you could certainly do the same thing in the Y dimension, and if you did that, I would then be able to scroll vertically as well as horizontally. So those are the basics. Obviously, we've kept it very simple, especially our graphics here, which are admittedly horrible, but we've also shown you how to do images. So you could imagine that you would take everything in these notes, put it together, and make a really nice side scroller, which you can totally do now. Everything in this notes is everything you need to make a really fun, engaging, rich side scroller. So that's it. Have fun out there.